like your dress.
And I love your energy.
Oh,
I
thank
think
you.
everyone will agree on that, right?
Yes.
Come on, let's hear a round of big applause for her energy.
Oh my God, you make me blush.
Dr. Engineer Suad Al-Shamsi, the first aircraft engineer in United Arab Emirates and an artist. Today we are celebrating the Women Global Conference with Funoon Art Group. Uh,
Um, I feel honoring for this award. Thank you for all the teams and thank you for Funon Arts and thank you for all those who supports me and those who inspire me for this award for selecting me. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Engineer Mehta Lablushi and I'm a motivational speaker and moderator and founder of BU. It's really a pleasure for me to attend this amazing women conference that gather all the women around the world. No matter their nationality, no matter their gender, they are women and they believe in themselves. They
Hello, my name is Khaled Asi. I'm a Russian fine artist, and I am exhibiting here at Global Ceremony. I am really glad we're supporting this day and supporting all women around the world, making like actually. Inspired by them and all the we are seeing all these talents, and we are really glad to be here at this conference.
Hi friends, I'm Shiva Khan, artist and founder of Funoon Arts. Today I'm really humbled and I am really, what should I say, I am thrilled by looking the response, by looking the love of everybody who have shown us today when we organized our first Women Global Conference. Women Global Conference we did for the empowerment of the women. What I believe is it is not the thought, thinking, or the debate for the equality or about empowerment. It is about being an individual, being a woman as an individual. The motive of today's event was how we all together can help others to grow, and because as I believe success is not only what is for one person, success is what brings others, uplift them, and which can uplift the other person also along with you, then you are called a successful person. If you are able to impact even a one person, it means your work, your passion, your hard work has been completed and it has been fulfilled. Today we have so many guests, so many delegates, so many wives, so many media peoples, and I'm really thankful to all of them to be the part of this event and support us always. I'm really thankful to all the artists who were here and who presented so beautiful artwork. Each and every artwork was unique. And as there was the Best Artist Award, there was the Most Influential Woman Award, we came to know there is a talent filled up in this world. Only we need to uncarve it. We need to see it. So my appeal is let's go together. Together we go towards the success we will have. We can achieve everything. We can do everything, whatever we want with the dedication, with the passion, with the hard work. Be an individual what you are. Don't think yourself to be weak or don't think yourself to be something which you cannot do. If you think, if you dream, you can do it for sure. I am so lucky that I am here in UAE, as this land has given me, first of all, I am a golden visa holder. And I think this is the best place to live in the whole world, where you get so much support from the visionary leaders. I'm really thankful to all of them. We have our own commitment which we want to contribute with to the UAE government, as they have announced it as the year of sustainability. We as the Funoon Arts want to contribute with our art events to their initiative with our tagline, art can change climate change, and our wake up call. Again, I really want to thank from bottom of my heart to all the visionary leaders of the UAE and making this place such a wonderful, safe, and giving opportunity, equal opportunities to everyone. Thank you so much.